Hey there! Welcome to Python Trails, where we will explore and learn the Python programming language. Today's trail is all about unlocking the coding base. Before we start, let's meet someone. Meet Pip.
Hi everyone! I'm Pip the Python. I love adventures, and we are going to have one today. Come join us. Are we coding today? I'm ready.
Not yet, Pip,
Huh? Why not?
because first we need to unlock our coding base.
Oh, that sounds important, but also a little tricky.
Don't worry, it's actually super easy. Let's do it. First, we need to download Python from the Python website.
Download? Like catching it from the jungle internet?
Exactly. Let's do it step by step. We go to the official Python website by typing in Python in the search bar. It will show these results. Click on the first one. This is the official Python website.
Is it safe? What if I click the wrong button and get lost?
You're safe, just follow me.
Okay, let's go carefully.
Now click the downloads option. This is what you get.
Oh, that button is huge! Even I can't miss that!
Yes, Pip, but that's not the button we will be using. We will select the standalone installer for Python 3.14. So let's click on this and download the installer. Okay, it should get downloaded onto your desktop so that it's easy for you to find. I'm going to click on save, and there it is. It has been downloaded. Now you can see that it has come on your desktop. So let's click on it to make it run. Here it is. Now we install Python.
Okay. Just click next.
Yes, Pip, but there's one important thing. Make sure you tick Add Python to Path.
Path? Like a jungle trail?
Exactly. It tells your computer where Python is so it can run it anytime you need it.
Oh, so Python always knows how to find its way.
That's right, Pip. Okay, so we are ticking this and let's install it. I will click on install now to install Python. Okay, so the installation has been done. It says setup was successful. So let's close it and let's open idle. We type in idle in the search bar. It appears here in the very first option. Let's click on it. So this is idle where we will be writing all our code.
This is our coding base? Finally!
Yes, Pip, this is where all our trails begin.
It looks empty.
That's because we haven't created anything yet.
It feels powerful though.
Let's write our first Python code. So this is the first bit of code that we are going to be writing.
Wait, that's my name!
Yes, Pip. Let's run it. To run the code, we are going to just hit the enter key. There you go.
I didn't know I could be inside code.
You just made Python talk.
Can it do anything else?
Let's try something fun. So we will type this calculation.
It solved it instantly?
Yes, Pip, Python can act like a super smart calculator.
That's faster than counting bananas in the jungle.
Definitely. Our coding base is ready.
So we can finally go on a trail? I'm ready!
In the next video, Pip, for now, are you ready for a small quiz? Hey, where are you going, Pip? Hang on. Okay, that was a quick exit. Okay, folks, with this, we come to the end of our episode. See you soon on Python Trails in our next video, which is Variable Valley.
That sounds exciting!
And there's Pip. Okay, people, goodbye for now.